import access tables, that is a MDB. Now I am explaining the proc export procedure, how to export the data from inside to outside only. Okay, so data AV. For example, here when I open my libraries, you can see the SAS help is a one library. Okay, now I want to export one data set from my SAS help library to. I want to create the, what is the purpose of import procedure? By using import procedure, we can import the external files from outside to inside the SAS. Okay, so here, for example, text file is there. I want to convert the text file to data set only, data set. Second one is Excel files are there. I want to convert the Excel file to data set only. So again, access tables are there. I want to convert the access tables to data set only. Data set, this is. But here, for that purpose, we use the proc import procedure. So next our procedure is called proc export. Okay, proc export. I will explain to the proc export. I have given one data set. I want to convert this data set into txt files. I have given one more data set. I want to convert this data set into XLS files. I have given one data set for you. Please convert this data set into access tables only. So the purpose will be use the proc export procedure here. Today I will explain the proc export procedure. We'll discuss. First I will write the syntax here, proc export procedure. And then I will explain. Proc export data is equal. Just mention data set name only. Then out file is equal to. Give your file path location where you want to save this file. File name .txt. For example, I want to create the txt file. Then instead of the proc print data, please use the proc export data is equal to dataset name. Out file is equal to, because I am converting this dataset into txt file only. Okay, next one is a dbms is equal to which one? DLM. Because when we are importing the text files from outside to inside, we have to use dbms is equal to DLM. Even while creating the text files also, I am converting the SAS dataset to text file. We have to use dbms is equal to DLM. Which means when we are creating text files, when we are importing the text files, we have to use dbms is equal to DLM, then replace, that's only. So this is a syntax for proc export procedure. Now I will execute this one. Okay, so for example here I am creating data, my data set name is a AB, input, ID, age, salary, okay, rating is there. Now ID is a 101, the rating is, age is a 22,000, rating is a plus only. This is my first record. Now I am copying 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 10 records are there here. You can change these values if you want. I am changing 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so here 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29. So this is my data set here. Now when I am submitting this data set, you can see this data set in your work library. Now this is my data set. When I open my data set, you can see the totally 4 columns and 11 observations. 11. Now I want to convert this data set into one txt file. Then how can we do that? Okay, now see this folder is empty now. This folder is empty. I want to create the text file under this folder. Then how can we do that? I have given one data set. But this is an important procedure in the real-time scenario proc export, because by using proc export procedure, we can create the reports. Proc export data is equal, which data set I want to convert? AB. AB is my data set. Then out file is equal to, give your file path location. I have given my file path location. Under this folder, this is only 2023 folder. Under this folder, I want to create the my text file. So here ab.txt. My text file name is here my dataset name is ab. I am creating the ab.txt under this folder. Here I am creating the txt file. Then we have to use dbms is equal to dlm replace run it. So here print is not required. Why means we are exporting this as dataset to txt file only. When we are importing the file from outside to inside, then print is required only. Otherwise, print is not required. Now I have submitted. When I submitted, go to your log window first. So see this here, 11 records created only. So also ab.txt from which dataset? ab dataset. ab file successfully created. Go to your folder path location. So just now I have created. Open this path. So now see this here. I have successfully. This is a which delimiter file here. Anybody? This is a
space delimiter file.
Space delimiter file. Now I have created successfully.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, class lo join అవ్వడానికి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్ కొంతమంది.
Everyone joined, right? No
Okay,
one.
okay.
No management. Okay. So here now I have imported successfully. No. I have exported successfully. This is the space delimited file only. Okay. Space delimited file. If anybody is waiting, please let me know here while I am explaining the class because I am not checking this window always. If anybody is waiting, please ping me or just stop me my class. I will allow to everybody. So next one is I want to create the comma delimited file only. Then how can we do that? Which one? Comma delimited. Again, we have to use proc export data is equal baby. Okay. Then out file is equal. Give you the path location. Okay. Give path location. Then we have to use extra. Here I am creating which txt file here. Just by changing my name only. Dataset name is a AB, but my file name is a AC. You can change your text file name. dbms is equal to dlm replace. Any other extra statement is required here? Anybody?
Delimiter equal to comma. So
Delimiter is equal to comma. So here delimiter is required when we are importing the comma delimited file. Delimiter is equal to here I use the comma then delimited. Okay, now I am submitting this one. When I submitted, so we are creating the go to log window. There is no issue. We have successfully created. Open your folder. Now this is a ACTXT file. When I open, each and every value is updated by comma. This is a comma delimited file. Now I want to create the pipe delimited file. How can we do that here? Anybody?
Delimiter equals to pipe, sir.
How to create the tab delimited file?
delimiter equal to
099 dot x.
No,
Not
dot name.
09. Not to use inside the single quotes and ends with the x 09x. Okay. Then I am coming this one. Go to your folder path location. AT file successfully created. This is a ATTXT file. You can see this is a which delimited file. Tab. So because I use the 09x only, we have created successfully successful DLM option. That is a mandatory. Okay, so DBMS is called DLM while creating the text file or while importing the text file from outside to inside. We have to use DBMS is equal to DLM. If we remove that option, it throw error. Okay, same as when we are importing the XLS file, then DBMS is equal to XLS. While creating the XLS file also, we have to use DBMS is equal to XLS. Okay, this DBMS is a mandatory in our first line itself. Okay, after our statement. Otherwise, as per syntax, DBMS is equal to DLM. Then which a delimiter if you want. I want to delimiter is a tab delimiter. So without using delimiter, just I have mentioned DBMS is equal to DLM. By default, we can create the which delimiter file? Space delimiter. Okay. Now I want to create the XLS file only. Then how can we do that? Proc export data is equal. What is my data set name? AB. Then out file is equal to give your file path location. Sorry. In file path location, I am under 2023. So this is a 2023 slash. So AB dot. What is our extension? XLSX only. Okay. Now not TXT. XLSX. Then DBMS also. XLSX replace, then run it on. Now I am creating the with delimited file here. Excel not delimited. I am creating the XLS report, Excel report. So when I submitted, go to log window. So you can see so and so file successfully created. So when I open, you can see just now I have created Excel sheet. When I open this Excel sheet, you can see here. Now I am opening. You can see ID, age, salary successfully created. Rating column, totally 12 rows are there. Clear my point? This is which report? XLS report. So in this XLS report, what is my sheet name here? Now I want in this our sheet name is a AB XLS. In the same sheet, I want to upload one more data set only in sheet 2 or sheet 3 or sheet 4. So then how can we do that? So here I am creating one more data set only. Data. So my data set name is AC input. Only ID, age, salary, 3 variables I am using. 101, 11, 11,000, 102, 12,000. This is my data set only. When I submitting this data set is available in my which library? Work library. Now I want to convert this data set into XLS report, but already Excel report is there, ab.xls. Under that report, I want to load this data into sheet 2, not sheet 3. Okay. Then here I am using proc export data is equal AC. Then out file is equal to give your file path location. So this is my file path location here. Now ab.xls only same sheet, same XLS only. Same. Here I am not changing the Excel report name. DBMS is equal to XLS, then replace. Here what? Just I change the which one here? Data set name only. Okay. Then sheet is equal to what is your sheet name? Already AB is my state is there. Now if anybody needed, then your sheet name is I want to create the sheet. Under Stancy's sheet, I want to load this which data set? AC data set. Sheet name is your wish only. Even you can write it your name also. But in the real time scenario, data set name we can use as a sheet name only. Okay. Now I am submitting this one. When I submitted, go to log window. Now you can see here, so and so file was successfully created. So when I open, what happened? So go to refresh here sometime. So see this, when I open this one, the stanza sheet we have created or not? So we have created, sheet 2. Any doubt here? Okay. So but here, this is back file we have created. Anybody observe? BAK back file. This is how to remove this one means VBA macros required only. Which macros? Excel VBA macros. Anybody any idea? Mm-hmm. No. So now I am not explaining that type of stuff. Okay. Manually you can delete after this. But how to delete this one means in the real time scenario, we have to write snippet of code only. After SAS class completed, already I told my 8 AM batch, next month, first week onwards, I am starting certification classes only. Certification classes, SAS. So in that at that time, I will explain which one. This stuff. VBA macros also. Got it, my point. So now that is the extra stuff. I am not adding that stuff in this batch. Okay, got it, my point. Because I am not explaining the VBS. Okay, anyhow instances they are teaching the Excel free of classes, right? So if you want, you can utilize VBA macros. That is your mission here. Okay, because see this when I open Excel, see here, for example, I am opening the XLS sheet. Excel categorized by go to file. This is XLS. Yesterday I told how to convert the XLS to XLSX here. XLSX to XLSX. Anybody?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now you can see here, we have so many, this is a Excel workbook. Second one is a Excel. What is this? Excel macro
Enabled workbook.
which means this extension is a XLSM only. XLS is there, XLSX also there, XLSM also there. M stands for the macro. If you open that XLSM, VBA macros required only. Which one? VBA macros. Okay. So by using VBA macros, we can easily convert the we can easily convert the XLS to XLSX, XLSX to XLSM also. We can apply the different type of colors also by using which macros? VBA macros only. If you learn that VBA macros, we can do that easily, but I am not explaining now. Okay, so I will explain later while discussing the certification course. Okay, now here I will go for anybody, any doubt here? I created 2 sheets only. I want to upload the one more data set into sheet 3. Then same, right? The stance is, proc export data is equal to that new data set name. Then give your file path location. Same XLS only, but sheet is equal to whatever sheet if you want. My suggestion, always use data set name as a sheet. So this is a XLS report. Anybody, any doubt, please let me know. Clear or doubt?
Clear, sir.
Now I will go for how to create the MS access tables only. This is okay. So I want to create the access table, MS access table only. So XLS is a older version. XLSX is a newer version. MDB is a older version. ACCDB is a new version. Okay. ACCDB stands for the Access Database. Access Database. MDB stands for Microsoft Database only. But previously we called as a MDB, but latest version that is a ACCDB. Okay, both are same only, access only. Now I want to create the MS Access data. How can we do that? First I will write a syntax. Proc export data table is equal to proc export data, not table. Proc export data is equal to dataset name. Then instead of the out file, we have to use out, which one here? Table, not file. Out table is equal to, so which name if you want to see in your database only. What is the dataset? So this is my dataset name only. Inside the database, what is the table name? I will be use same dataset name as a table name only. Got it, my point? So just use table name and dataset name, both are same. But if you want, you can use your own name also inside the database. Then DBMS is equal to access only. So DBMS is equal to DLM for text files. DBMS is equal to XLS for XLS files. DBMS is equal to access for access table. So next one is as is replace. Extra one more database is equal to give your folder path location. In which folder if you want to create this database, then name dot MDB or ACCDB, your wish only. MDB or ACCDB. This is a syntax for proc export MS Access database table. So now I want to create the, see this here, this is my folder path location. I want to create my database. My database name is Spurti. Okay, I want to create the database. How can we do that? Proc export data. Which data set if you want to load it? AB. AB and AC both are existed in my work library. Proc export data is equal to AB. Then output table is equal to, if you want same table, then AB. Okay, otherwise your name also, your wish only. AB. Then DBMS is equal to access, then Replace, perfect. Then database is equal to what is your MS Access database? Like what is your sheet name? ab.xls. So here what is your database name? Then your wish. Spurti.mdb I am creating. So under this path location, okay, somebody give, okay. So here let's give path. Now here I am creating this. Then next, what is our next one? Next one is here. What is the next one here? Spurti dot mdb. Okay, semicolon run. That's all. Okay. Now I am submitting this one. Here, what is my database name? Spurti.mdb. Under Spurti database, what is my table name? AB. I am converting each data set into access table. AB data set into AB table. I'm uploading this AB table into which database? Spurti. So when I am submitting this one, go to your, it is running only, go to this. So and so AB table was successfully created. Spurti.mdb was successfully created. When I open, you can see Microsoft Access database only. Okay. Now just open this one. When I open, you can see the left side AB table is there. When we click this AB table, you can see the right side data. Clear my point here. Now anybody please let me know. I want to load the one more table. Which table? AC in my Spurti data. How can we do that again? Proc export data is equal AC.
AC. Out table equal to AC.
AC. DBMS
Access.
access. Then
Replace.
then database is the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now if I am submitting this one in my Spurti.mdb database, how many tables we can see them totally? 2. Already is there. Now I am uploading one more table, that is the AC. So go to this log window. Now AC table successfully created. But first time you can see the Spurti.mdb successfully created and AB table also successfully created. First time. But second time already MDB is there or not? It is there. So that's the reason AC table was successfully created. When I open my Spurti database, you can see here AB and one more is a AC successfully created. Sometimes in the real-time scenario, our client, they will send the data in MS Access table. So sometimes XLS, sometimes text files only. Clear my point here? Doubt anybody?
अच्छा नहीं है
Okay? Online guys. Any doubt to that? Online.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. Okay, so yesterday our pending item is, okay, I have not explained the proc import access tables only. Now we have one database is there. What is my database? Spurti database only. Now before I am explaining the proc import access, how many tables are there in my work library? So here I am creating data AB1, set AB, then run it. Okay, data AC1. Send AC, then run it. Okay, again, please, I am copying and I have pasted it here. Okay, data AB 1A 1. So here, now when I am submitting this one, how many data sets are there here in my work library totally?
6, sir.
6. Now our next procedure is called proc delete. So one more procedure, that is a proc delete procedure. By using proc delete procedure, we can delete the SAS data sets from my work library or any other library. Okay. So how to delete the SAS data sets? So by using proc delete procedure, I am writing a syntax of proc delete. Proc delete, okay, delete data is equal data set name, run it only. Proc delete data is equal, proc print data is equal data set name. Proc delete data is equal to data set name. We can delete only one data set only. If anybody wants to delete the more than one data set at a time, then please mention dataset name 1 space dataset name 2 space dataset name 3, like that only. So at a time we can delete the more than one dataset also by using which one? Proc delete. And I want to delete the all datasets at a time only, then how can we do that? Means we have to use underscore all underscore only. Underscore all underscore is a one more statement. By using that, we can delete the all datasets at a time. Then how can we do that? I am commenting this part. Now, anybody just let me know. I want to delete the AB dataset only. What is my syntax here? Proc
Delete data equal to AB.
semicolon and run it. So when I am submitting this one, you can see here, is there any AB dataset in my work library?
No, sir.
No, we have deleted. See this deleting work.ab. This memtype is called data. You can get more idea in my tomorrow's class only. Wait for one more day. Memtype is equal to data. I will explain in my tomorrow's class. Now I want to delete the AB1, AC and AC1 only. AC and AC1 I want to delete at a time. Then
Proc delete data equals to
AC,
AC1.
semicolon, run it. So here I am deleting two datasets at a time only. When I am submitted, you can see there is no AC, AC1. Here in my work library, deleting memtype AC, deleting AC1 only. I want to delete the all datasets at a time only. Then
Proc delete data equal to underscore all.
underscore, then run it. So when I am submitting this one, we can see there is no SAS datasets in my which library? Work library. Online guys, anybody any doubt here, please?
Other libraries also get affected, sir.
Sorry, again, please.
When I get data all, will other libraries also get affected, sir?
Yes, other libraries also, but I have not explained the how to create the libraries till now. Got it? Mandate. So once I completed how to create our own library, once I done, so we can delete other libraries datasets also. At that time, I will explain again proc delete only. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a proc delete. Now one more item is a pending yesterday. That is a proc import for access table. I am closing this. Okay. Now I am closing. Then so again I am opening my SAS session. So go to proc import procedure. Now here in my folder, Spooty is a one database. In Spooty database, totally two tables are there. One is a AB, other one is a AC. But in the real-time scenario, when we open the Access database, you can see the minimum 30 to 40 tables. How many? 30 to 40. So we have to import all 30 to 40 tables from outside to inside. Okay, then how can we do that? So here, now proc import data table, not file. Proc import data table, not file, because that is a table. Which table? In my Spooty, what is our name?
AB, AC.
AB and AC, sir.
AB. So AB1. Okay. Proc import. I am importing the which table here? AB, right? Okay. This one is how it is equal to. So how we are creating inside the SAS work library. Got it? What is our work library? Inside the work library, what is our dataset name? Which dataset if you want to create? Same maybe. Then DBMS is equal to access. Next one is
Yes.
inside database. What is our database name here? So right click, go properties, go to security, select the center file for MDB path location. So this must be inside the single quotes and run it. Okay. So instead of the proc import data file, that is the delimited files, that is for XLS file. But when we are importing the access tables, proc import data table. Okay, then execute this one. Now go to your work library. I mean, this is AB dataset successfully created. AB has how many observations? 11 observation. When I open my work library, AB is created. Just open. So we have successfully created from outside to inside. Successfully imported access table. If you want to print this one, again we can print proc print data is equal AB, then run it. Okay. So when I am submitting, you can see AB data set results. Clear? Now in my Spooty table, Spooty MDB file, one more is there. Which one? AC. How can we import it here? Proc import data table AC. How is equal to AC? DBMS is equal to access, then replace. Again, we have to use same database, same. I want to print with. I am copying and pasting AC, then running. So clear my point. So here I changed only the table name only and dataset name. Remaining things are same. Now when I am importing this one, we'll see. So we have successfully created in my AC table only 3 variables and 2 observations are there. So this is a proc import. Which one? Access. So we have done end-to-end delimited files, XLS files, and access tables. We have imported, and one more is a export. We have created delimited files. We have created XLS file. We have created access tables also, and one more is a delete procedure. By using delete, we can delete the more than one data set. Okay. Clear? Or anybody any doubt here, please? Doubt anyone?
సార్ ఎట్ ఎ టైం రెండు ఒకేసారి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయలేము.
Rendu means 2 tables.
యా సార్.
This is a base hash, Sharath. By using base hash, we can import the at a time only single. మీ డౌట్ ఇది కూడా ఎస్టర్డే మీరు అడగాలి. ఎట్ ఏ టైం ఆల్ షీట్స్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయలేము. గోట్ ఇట్ మై పాయింట్. ఇది కూడా ఎస్టర్డే రావాలి కదా డౌట్. ఎస్ అన్నో నేను ఒక్కొక్క ఇంపోర్ట్ కి ఒక్కొక్క షీట్ కి ఒక్కొక్క ఇంపోర్ట్ ప్రొసీజర్ యూజ్ చేశాను. ఎస్ అన్నో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ షీట్ వైజ్ ఐ ఇంపోర్టెడ్ separate procedure import. Why we are using separate procedure? Only single procedure at a time, single sheet I want to import the all sheets by using advanced. మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఇందులో ఉన్నారు base as. So when we go for advanced, your doubt it will be clarified. Okay, Sharath. At that time I explain at a time how to import the all tables, how to import the all sheets in single one proc import procedure. Doubt clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this is I am stopping now. Tomorrow we'll go for next procedure. Again at 7 p.m. batch. Next month, be ready. I will go for certification classes, not interview question and answers. Which one? Certification oriented course, free of cost. Please come and utilize offline only, no online. Okay, this is one. Conditions are applied, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is So we'll meet tomorrow same time. Okay.